Before installation, thoroughly wash and dry the car. We recommend using a jack. We recommend working with 2 people. Before installation, apply double-sided tape to the edge of the rear valance. Remove the original rear valance. Place the rear valance on the bumper, replacing the original one. Insert the mounting tabs from the rear valance into the holes in the bumper. Then, remove the protective film from the double-sided tape and firmly press the center section of the rear valance against the bumper. Drill holes in the rear valance mounting tabs for the valances to pass through. Then, position the tabs where they will be mounted. Then, from the inside of the bumper, drive the screws into the drilled holes in the mounting tabs to secure the valance in place. Using the original mounting bolts, secure the lower edge of the rear valance to the exhaust cover. Remove the protective film from the rear valance.